What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency created in 2009. Marketplaces called Bitcoin exchange allow people to buy or sell Bitcoins using different currencies. It's a new currency that was created by an unknown person using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. Transactions are made with no middleman, meaning no banks. Bitcoin can be used to book hotels on Expedia, shop for furniture on Overstock, and buy Xbox games. But much of the hype is about getting rich by trading it. The price of Bitcoin skyrocketed in the thousands since 2017. Why Bitcoin? Bitcoins can be used to buy merchandise anonymously. In addition, international payments are easy and cheap because Bitcoins are not tied to any country or subject to regulation. Small businesses may like them because there are no credit card fees. Some people just buy Bitcoins as an investment, hoping that they'll go up in value. Buying Bitcoins. Buy on an exchange. Many marketplaces called Bitcoin exchange allow people to buy or sell Bitcoins using different currencies. Coinbase is a leading exchange, along with Bitstamp and Bitfinex, but security can be a concern. Bitcoins worth tens of millions of dollars were stolen from Bitfinex when it was hacked in 2017. Transfers. People can be sent Bitcoins to each other using mobile apps or their computers. It's similar to sending cash digitally. Mining. People complete to mine Bitcoins using computers to solve complex math puzzles. This is how Bitcoins are created. Currently, a winner is rewarded with 12.5 Bitcoins roughly every 10 minutes. Bitcoin wallet. Bitcoins are stored in a digital wallet, which exists either in the cloud or on a user's computer. The wallet is a kind of virtual bank account that allows users to send or receive Bitcoins, pay for goods, or save their money. Unlike bank accounts, Bitcoin wallets are not insured by the FDIC. The anonymity of Bitcoin. Though each Bitcoin transaction is recorded in a public log, names of buyers and sellers are never revealed, only their wallet IDs. While that keeps Bitcoin users' transactions private, it also lets them buy or sell anything without easily tracing it back to them. That's why it has become the currency of choice for people online buying drugs or other illicit activities. Bitcoin's future in question. No one knows what will become of Bitcoin. It is mostly unregulated, but some countries like Japan, China, and Australia have begun weighting regulations. Governments are concerned about taxation and their lack of control over the currency.